Anthropology is a social science like other social sciences such as history, sociology, political science, economics. It is not a biological science, first of all. Although we have to study some aspects of human biology as part of anthropology. One can think for a while, when it is a social science, then why to study biological aspect of human beings? It is because anthropology is the study of man in totality. What is the study of man in totality? It means when anthropology studies human beings, it studies each and every aspect of human beings. And broadly, there are two aspects of human beings. One is sociocultural aspect, another one is biological aspect. It is human being which is one of the creatures in the animal kingdom. At the same time, it is unique to have culture. No other animals in the animal kingdom is having culture. So if one wants to study man in totality, one must go through sociocultural aspect as well as biological aspect. What comes under sociocultural aspect? See, it includes various kinds of institutions, sociocultural institutions, such as marriage, family, kinship, economics, political institutions, belief pattern, such as religion and magic. All these institutions together make sociocultural aspect. So, in anthropology, we study all kinds of societies. If you classify human societies across the world, there are two kinds of societies: tribal societies or simple societies, and modern societies or complex societies. So, anthropology studies every kind of societies. Means it studies every societies and their institutions. That is marriage, family, kinship, religion, economics, political institutions, etc. Apart from this, anthropology studies societies of the past as well as societies at present. It studies societies right from the beginning of human culture. And the first culture of human being was Stone Age or stone culture, when people had stone tools only. So it starts with first culture of man, that is Paleolithic culture, through different stages to present human societies and culture. So it studies evolution of society and culture. It studies cultural variations from place to place. These come under sociocultural aspect. As far as biological aspect is concerned, anthropology studies man as a creature. So as a creature, it was originated at certain point of time, and the earliest man was not like ours. It was different from us. It had undergone changes through different stages to present stage or modern human being. So anthropology would study origin and evolution of man, right from the first man through different stages to modern man. Besides, it studies why human beings vary from place to place physically. That is, why human beings of Africa differ from that of Asian Europe. And that is usually known as human variation. So even in the study of biological aspect of man, anthropology studies origin and evolution of man as a creature, Anthropology studies physical variations in human beings. And that's why anthropology is the holistic study of man. It studies each and every aspect of man in terms of time and space. Unlike other social sciences, it does not study part of human being. For example, history. It studies past events of man. It does not study present of human being. Sociology studies social structure of human beings. It does not give much importance to culture. It does not study biological aspect of man. Political science and economics, they study political system and economic system respectively. So therefore, other social sciences are part sciences. They are dealing with man in part manner. Whereas anthropology deals with each and every aspect of man. Since it is the study of man in totality, that's why it studies socio-cultural aspect as well as biological aspect, although it's a social science. So this is the unique characteristics of anthropology. And that makes anthropology a unique science. That makes anthropology different from other social science.